mga ka-Englishera! Look who's with me! Yes naman! Abay, nag-date din naman kami ng asawa ko. Every Sunday lang kasi kami nakakapag-date sa ngayon. Dahil busy din kami pareho. Siyempre, kahit busy, dapat may time pa rin kayo together. Ganon! Pakinggan nyo na rin pala itong duet naming kanta.
Looking in your eyes, I see a paradise. This world that I found is too good to be true. Standing here beside you, want so much you, give you this love in my heart that I'm feeling for you.
Let them say we're crazy, don't care about. We're head in my head, baby, don't ever look back. Let the world around us just fall apart. Maybe we can make it if we heart to heart.
And we can do this thing together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now.
O diba, mga ka-Englishera, kinikilig na naman ang asawa ko habang pinapanood ito. Shout out sa asawa ko. At nagre-ready na nga kami dyan at kami uuwi na rin. Madilim na naman kasi. Hindi pa naman Boy Scout tong asawa ko. Naiwan pa ang kapote. Gusto ko pa sanang gumala. Wala pa naman tayong choice. Baka umulan pa. Mahirap pa namang magkasakit ngayon. Oh, ganito ba kayo? Pauwi na nga lang. Magli-lipstick pa. O siya, hanggang dito na lang. Maraming salamat sa patuloy na panonood.